It's another flash dance top, you guys. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I'm going to give you my first impression and overview of the brand Winky Lux. They sent me a box of goodies. That was so nice of them. They reached out to me. And so I have a number of products in here that are probably some of their most popular items. I've seen Winky Lux on Sephora and Ulta. And of course they have their own website. That sounded weird. Ugh. I have like a wine headache. Yeah, it's not like quite a hangover and it's not quite a migraine, but it's just sort of like a, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, from the night before. It's like 11 a.m. here, so I haven't been drinking wine yet. And I probably won't because maybe I should do some hair of the dog, whatever. So let us begin. I'll just take you through the items that I have. We'll talk a little bit about their features and benefits and what's in here. The packaging is adorable, first of all. It's a K-beauty brand, I think. And I like that it's like whimsical, but kind of sophisticated. You know, it has a little bit of both. This is called the Dream Gelée Hydrator. And I've checked ingredients, so I think we're good. This isn't like featured on Beautypedia as far as I know, so I don't really have them to reference, but for sensitive skins out there, in terms of looking out for denatured alcohol, fragrance, and certain botanicals, which is what I always look for. If you're new around here, that's my thing. I got rosacea, and I have to keep it calm and not flaring based on avoiding those ingredients. So yeah, so I will let you know if there's any triggers, or there's like some kind of fermented stuff in here, a little bit of salicylic acid, which is good for exfoliation. I don't know. There is a nice faint fragrance that's pleasant, but definitely probably of an artificial nature. Not bad, just it doesn't list fragrance in their ingredient list, but they probably just put that in, unless, I mean, the print on here is tiny. They probably put that in just, you know, to be more pleasing, because it's, you know, it's kind of an aesthetic. I'm gonna just take a bit off the thing here, and because it's, I mean, this is kind of a primer, but kind of a day cream. It's made in the USA, and I'm gonna just put it on places that I actually, even though my T-zone sometimes tends to be a little flaky, even though it's oily, it's weird. Maybe it's because of the products I'm using to combat the oil. So, feels nice. It does feel hydrating. Kind of has a bit of a tacky slip to it. Next, this is actually a primer. I don't think there is any fragrance in this. And what's funny is I had this in my shopping cart on the Sephora website. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this was the one, the whipped cream primer, and then here I get it sent to me. I'm telling you guys, sometimes the serendipity of having a YouTube channel it's amazing. Do not put this upside down. This reminds me of that Mally primer. Is that the one that Toddy like 5 years ago just dumped on her pants? Yeah, this is like a ball of kind of marshmallows. It is whipped cream primer. Now, I will say the drawback, I am a person who does not prefer jars. I like to have tubes, pumps, some kind of where I'm not sticking my finger. Sure, I can put like a tool. Like I can use a Q-tip or like a little spatula. I know. My hands are clean, so there's, you know, yeah, there's a level of hygiene, but for like integrity of ingredients and having something that's, you know, tinted glass, that doesn't involve putting your hands in or air to get to it. It's just better, but whatever. Okay. Ooh, that feels nice. I don't know, I just talk like that. Ooh, this on top of the gelée feels really good. So this primer is, you know, dimethicone. It is intended to smooth and give a poreless finish to the skin as well as base for foundation. So that's fun. Yes. I don't have, okay, so I just have lips, eyes, yeah, lips and eyes next, and brows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw on some foundation and powder, and then I'll show you my eye look that we'll do together. And just for reference, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier foundation. This is the Radiance one I got for the VIB. I figure since, you know, I liked it a lot, I'm gonna use it. So next, we've got this adorable palette. This is the Winky Lux Cashmere Kitten palette. Look at the packaging, so cute. This has 9 shades, very much a taupe, sort of neutrals, and you can see it's got like a nice assortment of cool shades. So we've got taupes, we have, we've got like, actually maybe not so much taupe as like mauve and brown, but we've got mattes and duochromes, so that's nice. So here is that feels amazing. That feels really, really nice. Okay, and then here's this kind of silvery mauve. Whoa, that is so beautiful. It's smooth. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. Oh, my nose itches. Okay, this is a very gray mauve. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a grayish purple lavender. What's another duochrome? This one right here. Let's see how we oh, okay, I'm just using a Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go over my lid with that kind of rosy. So nice. It's really nice. Okay, and then I gotta go with a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna go in, what am I gonna do? I'm going down this row here. I very much enjoy that. I think I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna go in with this brown. It's matte, it's nice. I'm going to fill in the lid with it, but then I'm gonna do a duochrome over it to kind of brighten it up, but I'm also, I mean, it's not smoky or anything like that, but I'm gonna give it some depth. It's not as terribly dark as you might think. Like, it's going on pretty, it's buildable. I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna put it in this really pretty shade that I tried. I'm gonna do it just by itself, and if I need to add a setting spray, I will, or even my finger. There we go. Don't be afraid. I'm going to show you the brow product that was in here. It's a unibrow, which is kind of funny, a play on words for universal brow. And this shade is, does that mean that it's one shade? Oh, okay, this universally flattering pencil works on every brow shade. Apply soft pressure for light. Okay, triangle. So the idea is that, look at that. So it is the triangle, and it's kind of a nice waxy formula, not too dense, not too gushy. Wow. Let's see here. I think these type of taupe universal shades work great for me. My eyebrows can go either way. I can go light, dark. I can match my roots. I can match kind of my, my kind of mid blonde. I'm like, I'm there, but I have like dark ash roots and blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean. I really, really like the consistency and the shape of that just now. That was really easy. I've got to put some mascara on. So Extra is the name of their mascara. 94% saw extreme lengthening. 100% saw instant and buildable volume. 95% saw visible lift. It is a velvet plush mascara. And it is purple. Let's look at the brush. It's kind of dense and fibrousy. Sounds like I'm describing Metamucil. They sent me a couple cute things. Let me show you. So here is the Glimmer Balm, and it is in the shade Unicorn. Comes in some really pretty flower packaging, and it's got like that pill shape. And then look at up close how pretty that is. It's just so pretty. So also I noticed on Ulta and Sephora, they have some really cute holiday sets. So if these are the kind of gifts you love getting. Also, these are one of those, not mood balms, but you know where they kind of work with the pH, and they can turn your skin, your lip color like a flushed pink, even though they look like they're clear. So that's what this does. And it's just nice, just gives you like a healthy, lippy thing going on when you just want hydration. And then another thing they're famous for is this flower balm, and it is so cute. This is the shade Purple, but it's the shade of the flower. I have not used this in terms of on my lips, so I don't know if it's going to turn my lips purple or if it's going to be like what I already have on. This is purple. I can tell there is a different tint coming through on this, so yeah. It's just that like healthy flush of, balm. Ooh, it's cute. Ooh, I'm kind of liking that. The little pill pack thing. This is the mini lip pill kit. Now, if this doesn't make the best stocking stuffer ever for whoever is like a makeup fanatic, right? So the shades here are actually really good in terms of completely wearable. It's Meow, City, Royal, Heart, and Pippi. How cute. But look how sweet they are. I think I'm gonna try this one right here. Also has a ton of warnings for choking hazard. I don't blame them. Oh, this feels good. Wow. You know when you put on a lipstick and it's not glossy, but it just goes on so satin smooth? that tells you that if these come in larger full size, I want one or more. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm loving that. I can't give this away because I've used one of them, but that's okay. Now I know what I'm gonna look for. This is so cute. I will list all the products below. If I find online links to them, Sephora, Ulta, wherever, pardon me, then I will link those. If it's just the Winky Lux website, I'll link that. Check it out. Maybe, the way I shop online is I determine which is the Rakuten / Ebates cashback, like if it's 4%, 5%, or like a double day, right? So anyway, just throwing that in there. I can leave that link. But I'm gonna give you a close-up. The primer is really nice. The hydration gelée feels really good. The shadows are smooth. Everything is very smooth. I mean, despite its whimsical packaging, it is no joke in terms of formula and application. It's very nice. I'm really enjoying the products. So I will include these in my rotation. I really hope you follow me on Instagram. It's Frugalista, is all one word. And I have a link below if you want to follow me from that. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much if you have. And if you haven't, please do. And leave me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. All that good stuff. You know it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.